Muy buenas a todos, chicos y chicas, aquí Dan. Volvemos a darle cañita a la serie de Diablo Immortal, donde lo habíamos dejado en el anterior gameplay. Ya sabéis que ya hemos subido a nivel 40, nos costó un poquillo, pero lo conseguimos. Y bueno, pues si os parece, vamos a continuar con la aventurilla, a ver qué nos depara hoy la serie. Y nada, chicos, nos vemos en un ratillo. Hasta ahora.
The ancients grant me strength. Tell me, what? It was beyond belief. I partook in the battle against the demon Lord Baal. I saw Zoltan Kuhl. He spoke with Tal Rasha, saying only an Archangel's weapon could damage the world. Well, that makes things complicated. The Masters seem to only know of two such weapons gracing Sanctuary with their presence. One was Eldruin, a weapon belonging to Tyrael. The other, however, was called Ylnira. It was bequeathed by an angelic artisan to her child, and hidden away by the ancients. Supposedly, it rests within the Temple of Namari, on an island. I assume that's where you'll want to go next, yes? Stay close to me, would you? Now that I have full control of the library, I can teleport you wherever I wish. This terminus has been modified to take you to a location upon Bilefen Island, near the temple. You have proven trustworthy enough to come and go at your discretion. But should you choose to leave, do it quickly. I abhor long goodbyes. The portal will take you to Bilefen.
But be warned, teleporting halfway across the world may be unsettling.
That was an experience. This must be by...
Hey, you there! Come here a moment. It's not often an adventurer shows up in this port without even a ship docking. You certainly don't look like the rabble coming for work. Or a pirate, for that matter. Whoever you are, you're gonna want to check in with Talva. He's not a fan of strangers meandering around without his knowledge. Come on. Don't get too far behind, huh? Silvertongue's up there. Be sure to let him know Sandro delivered you, huh? I could use the coin.
Please, sir. The Elder is terribly ill.
Then go speak to Cadius. My responsibility is the port and the goods that go through it. Now go. I'm done with this.
That village will be the death of me.
You there. I make it a point to know every face that steps into my port. And yours, I don't recognize. So
I'm looking for an ancient temple upon this island. Do you know of it?
Ah, now I get it. You're with that wizard then. Explains your sudden appearance, at least. Can't fathom why you lot are interested in that place. Nothing. The temple is to the southeast. Easy to find. Good luck getting in, however. The swamp is likely to kill you first. Now, if that's...
Energy. These hands will grant no mercy. Must be the wizard Talva spoke of. It seems we are both seeking entry into the Temple of Namari.
You arrived just in time, then. Supposedly we stand before an altar that summons the temple's guardian, Namari, and I fully intend to awaken. The altar should come to life and summon Namari.
After untold eons, who seeks an audience?
Honored Namari, I am Jin from the great Isle of Shansai. I have traveled the world searching for your ancient texts.
And I seek an angelic weapon hidden within your temple. We need its power to destroy the corrupted shards of the Worldstone before they fall into the...
If what you say is true, this is indeed a dark time. But has no one told you? What stands before you is no temple. Sargoth, the despoiler of life, has been imprisoned inside for millennia. My soul was bound to this place to ensure the Dark Summoner never... But eternity is a long time. The power of the Nephilim has waned, and his connection to the burning hells has only grown stronger. He will free himself in time. And I am bound... Return the beacons, and help me eliminate Sargoth before he unleashes untold havoc upon this world. Do this.
That explains why the altar was so difficult to activate. 3 missing beacons. You know, on my way here, a pirate was trying to sell some artifacts he likely stole from the temple. What do you say? Interested in saving the world? The pirate was just outside the port when I last saw him. Let's try there.
Beacons? Maybe I know something.
Our friend here is willing to divulge some information for a price. I have some experience dealing with these pirates, but we should also consult that silver-tongued fellow. I'll pursue this lead if you'll go speak with Talva. He's been in charge of that filthy little port long enough to have at least heard a few useful rumors.
Help! Fascists are attacking the port!
I don't have enough energy. I am renewed. Not enough energy. Give me a moment. My health returns. I don't have enough energy. Healed. You're trying my patience.
Save me! I'll give you anything!
I need energy. Good. My strength returns. Not enough
Lousy fetishes. Every damn creature on this island ought to be exterminated, if you ask me. Still, I owe you.
Information. 3 beacons of incredible magical power were taken from the temple's entrance. Have you heard of anything like that coming through this port?
A few times. But like most things from that temple, misfortune followed those damn relics. We don't let people sell stuff like that inside the gates anymore. But I may have heard a rumor or two. One relic was bought by an explorer years ago. Don't think the man ever made it off the island. The other is in a village to the east. But it sounds like that place is cursed. If you're going there, seek out Cadius first.
Kathos guides my hand. More of those fetish demons. They are bold. I'll give them that. Good. My strength returns.
Taste the fury of the ancients.
Are you Cadius? Telva Silvertongue said I should speak with you before heading to the nearby village. He said... Are you Cadius? Telva Silvertongue said I should speak with you before heading to the nearby village.
Cursed? Ah, nonsense. Fools always claim what they don't understand is magic. No, some creature's causing the village's suffering. The trick is to find out which. If you're hoping to help the village, we should join our efforts. I was just about to search along the river to confirm my suspicions. If you'd like to come along. There! A villager! Guards, they must have floated from upriver. See that? That's no magic. That's toxin. Something killed these people, injected them with that vile liquid. Damn thing's got to be put down. That body came from the village farther up the river. If you follow these corpses, we made this.
Don't have enough energy.
I am the vanguard of Sephiroth.
Not enough energy. And the beacon isn't even here. Perhaps it lies in the Elder's home.
Corpses everywhere. An entire village is lost.
I'm going to search for the village Elder's home. If fortune is with us, someone will have survived. I need energy. I don't have enough energy. Good. My strength returns. I need energy.
Who goes there? A thief? Here to steal the beacon? Oh, it doesn't matter. Akarat, why? Why have you abandoned us? This squirming inside. No, they hunger for your flesh. I feel you. Meat. Flesh. If they feed.
Stop this. You're not well.
Forgive me, but the beacon won't let me die. Only me.
I need more time. I don't have enough energy. Not yet.
Owens. Oh, how could that be done? That thing in your hand. Did he have it? He radiates.
Yes. It's one of the beacons from the Temple of Namari. Could it?
No. The beast you killed did this to him. But that beacon glows with preservation magic. That was meant to ensure something survived. What a cruel twist of fate. That something so wondrous could have caused him such suffering.
Arcadius, this isn't the only beacon. Talva mentioned another. He said it was held by someone who disappeared into the swamps and was never seen again. Another stone.
The fetishes. Those wretched demons have gotten more bold lately. Started attacking settlements directly. If their chieftain controls the power of a beacon, you have got to stop them. Their village is to the southeast. Go!
The ancients grant me strength. have enough energy. Not enough energy.
Please, help us! They still have Gelly and the others. I tried to help, but there's just too many. The fetishes are slaughtering everyone they captured from the port. Please, my friends are just inside the village. Save them, I beg of you.
Taste the fury of the ancients.
Someone there? Please, get me down from here! I'm alive. You saved me. Oh, thank the gods. I thought I was done for.
I'm glad I could help. But I need to ask you a few questions before we get you out of here. The fetishes. Is this all of them?
No. No. No one sees the chieftain and lives. I heard a rumor from the other captives of a profane magic he wields. But I never saw it myself. They've been taking people back into the rapids for God knows what purpose. We were about to be next. If you're looking for the chieftain, the Kikarus Rapids are where you'll find him.
All right. I'll go put an end to this. Find your people and get back to them. My health returns. At hand. Prepare to meet it. My wounds run deep. Give me a moment. Still recharging. Taste the fury of the ancients. I am renewed. I need energy. My health returns.
Pues nada, guapetones, ya estamos de vuelta. La verdad que hoy no quiero hacer un vídeo tan largo como el otro, porque la verdad que fue bastante largo. Y bueno, creo que lo vamos a dejar aquí, si os parece. La verdad que bueno, oye, estamos evolucionando bien, ¿eh? Hemos subido en este poquito ratito, hemos subido 2 niveles, ya somos nivel 42, o sea que bastante worth it. Y nada, gente, de verdad, muchísimas gracias a todos por vuestro cariño, por vuestro apoyo. Sé que me repito muchísimo, pero es que me da igual lo que me digáis, porque os seguiré agradeciendo todo vuestro cariño, de verdad. Muchísimas gracias. Y bueno, ya sabéis, desde aquí, el Tito Dan nos manda un abrazo enorme, un beso igual de grande y nos vemos a la próxima, chicos. Cuidaros.